Okay, today we're unboxing the new GlazeGuard Matte finish. You'll notice it's a new formulation. It's the new label on there. And the mix ratio now for the GlazeGuard Matte is 3:1. So when you open the box, you'll have a 1 gallon jug that contains 3 quarts of A side. And then you'll have a 1 quart jug that contains 1 quart of B. 3 quarts plus 1 quart makes 4 quarts. It's now a 1 gallon kit. There's also no reducer, right? The reducer is already included in the A side, so it's just 2 containers in the kit. And then lastly, it's a faster drying formulation. The new GlazeGuard will dry around 6 hours as opposed to 12 hours the old formulation, so a much faster drying formulation as well. Inside the box, we also include the data sheet that'll explain, describe the product, how it's used, how it's applied, and also its physical characteristics when it's dried. We also have the mixing instructions, which again detail how to mix it, the mix ratios, and then there's a QR code that links to further information, including a video.